A word of caution: if you run this program in Turbo C++ compiler, you may get an error. The printf function should have prototype. To get rid of this error, perform the following steps and then recompile the program. So, Turbo C++ is a special compiler in which this error of printf function may occur. We have to eliminate this error, and for that elimination we have to perform the following steps. First, step A: select options menu and then select compiler C++ options. So in options menu, select compiler and then C++ options. In the dialog box that pops up, select CPP always in the use C++ option. So in after selecting that compiler slash C++ option, there will it will open a dialog box that pops up, and we have to select CPP always in the use of C++ compiler options. Now again, so step B is again select options menu and then select environment slash editor. So in environment section, we have to select editor. Make sure the default extension is C rather than CPP. So default extension should be C rather than .cpp. Now receiving input. In program discussed above, we assumed values of P, N and R to be 1000, 3, 8.5. If we want to calculate simple interest for some other set of values, then we are required to make relevant changes in program and again compile it and execute it. So if we want to calculate simple interest, so we have to make relevant changes like that. Thus the program is not general enough to calculate simple interest for any set of values without being required to make change in the program. So this is that program of what we were discussing about. So first is main function. So this can be any, but main is the function, general function. So main, then semicolon, parenthesis, then in bracket int pn. So we are here defining integers, that is p and n are integers, p comma n are integers. Now float r comma si. So r and si are float. Now printf, here comes the printf function, enter value of p, n, r. So after printing that enter values of p, n and r, we have to scan those values. So all are integers except r, because r is float. So we are typing scanf %d %f. So and p and n and r. So r is a float, so that is why we wrote %f. Now si is equal to p star n star r divided by 100. Printf %f comma si, that is simple interest, that is si, and then program is complete. So in this program that we just have discussed, we have values of p, n and r to be 1000, 3 and 8.5. If we want to calculate simple interest forms for some other set of values, so we have to we are customizing it here. So then we are required to make relevant change in program, that is we have to take values, that is scanf. Thus program is not general enough. Thus this program is not general enough to calculate simple interest for any set of values without being required to make change in the program. So we have to take input from the user, that is we have to receiving input, we have to receive input. So this program cannot receive input. We have to make changes in program as a programmer, but user cannot change its value or use this program, and user cannot enter values as input. So thus the program is not general enough to calculate simple interest for any set of values without being required to make change in the program. Thus reception of input or receiving of input part comes in between. So it is important to receive input for a program, so it is done by scanf function. So receiving part is very important in a program or for a synthesis or for analysis purpose.